Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best deals to do paper-wise at Walgreens from the 24th to the 30th. I know a lot of you love paper deals, so a big thumbs up to that. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. It would make my day. First deal, we are in store. Or you could do this one curbside alternatively. It is to grab 2 of the Scott toilet papers and 2 of the Scott paper towels. As you can see, they're buy one, get one 50% off, and both have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So I'll give you eyes on those coupons in a second, and I'll let you guys know that these coupons appeared the week previous. So if you did this deal, it's a one and done, because I did the deal last week and my coupons never even reappeared. If you do this curbside, you can use WAG10 to save an additional $1. But in store, here's the deal. 4 of those papers, remember, 2 paper towels, 2 toilet papers, that's $20. With the buy one, get one 50% off, $5 will melt off right there, along with $4 in digital coupons, 2 for the toilet paper, 2 for the paper towel. That's how I'm getting the $4. You're paying $11 for the 4 or $2.75 per. That is a very good stock up price. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is a deal I would definitely do to stock up your pantry. Paper products don't expire. Stock up, great price point. Next deal that we're looking at, a little bit more fancy for all the fancy shoppers out there. It is to grab 2 of these Shermans. Because it's involving a register reward, you must do this deal in store. Curbside, you will not get the register reward printed for you. So for all the new shoppers out there, to answer that burning question, there it is. When you buy 2 of these products, you're getting back a $4 register reward, and they're $12.99 a pop. Now, currently, we have a $1 and a $2 digital coupon. Apologies, guys, I couldn't get visuals of that, but if you go below the product, they'll pop up and you just load them. Hopefully, you have the same coupons as I. Grabbing 2 of these friends in store, it's $25.98. Subtracting the $3, you're going to pay $22.98, get back a $4 register reward, making it $18.98 for the 2, or like $9 and some change per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I'm going to let you guys know off the bat, $25.98 is a big chunk of a $50 basket. So if you wanted to do the spend 50 to earn back 10, that specific booster that a lot of us got, this would be half of it. So if you're like, I don't really like anything, if you can Jenga this in it, I would totally do it, because I think it's a smarter way to go. Okay, the next deal we're looking at, again, we are still in store, is deal number 3. And for this one, we're grabbing 2 of the Bounty 2 = 6 triples. This is a lot of paper. These rolls are embarrassingly amazing. $3 reward when you buy 2, and we have a $1 digital coupon to go with. If you are into specifically sourdough baking and you are doing the cleanings every day with your sourdough and baking and these paper towels are it for sourdough bakers. So grabbing 2 of these friends, it's $13.98 minus the $1 digital. You're paying $12.98, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.99 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And it's just a great paper towel. Again, I keep talking about using it for any type of baking, but specifically that thick sourdough if you're working on a starter or whatever. When I did mine last month, I was using nothing but Bounty paper towels, and this was totally the way to go. So, yeah. If you want to stock up, that's not a bad price point. I would definitely try and use some register rewards or something like that in the mix. Why not? Hey, so I just wanted to talk about some quick honorable mentions before we get into the last deal that's going to be curbside. But these 2 for $7 on these ultra strong toilet papers, I think it's supposed to be like Charmin, even though that looks more orange to me than red for the ultra strong. The paper looks super identical to Charmin. I bought one and I couldn't tell the difference, but for $3.50 each, if you have register rewards or Walgreens cash burning a hole in your pocket, I think this is a smart purchase if you don't mind generic, but I know a lot of people do not like generic. Another generic one is the $3.99 paper towel. Now, unfortunately, his bigger sister, the toilet paper, is not part of this promotion. This is going right till May the 30th of $3.99 for a bag of these paper towels. Toilet paper not included. And we're going to look at a curbside deal at the very end with these friends because I know a lot of you prefer this over the Scott's paper towel. If you have a lot of animals, you need paper towel on the ready. I don't care what the brand is. I'm going to use it. But this is also a better one. I think it's a little bit better than Scott. Another deal that's really great is the $6.99 puffs. Unfortunately, we don't have digital coupons to go with. But if you might have Register Rewards or Walgreens cash burning a hole in your pocket, this is not a bad item to stock up on. It's either the Ultra Soft or the Plus Lotion, and these are the 4 counters. It's not the smaller 3 counters, so I would probably stock up on this if this is something that you like. And I'm still getting those spring allergies, even though it's the end of May. We're getting into that first week of June, but stock up if you need it. Okay, so the final deal that we're looking at is deal number 4, and we are going to throw in 3 of those paper towels. As you see, they actually changed around the graphics for the other one that was in store. The other one looked a little bit more old-fashioned with the big Walgreens logo, and this one looks a bit more sleek. Very similar to Sparkle Paper Towel, $3.99 a unit. So 3 of them is $11.97. So we're doing this again curbside because you can use WAG 10 to save a little bit of extra money that way. Unfortunately, in store, you cannot use WAG 10. I also recommend, because this is 3 of these paper towels, if you're going to put this order in, make sure to get to the store that day because they keep all of this near that photo counter, and sometimes it starts taking up a huge amount of space, especially if you have 10 things of paper. Using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.20 off, so that's some savings. Again, that's the difference between curbside or in-store. Curbside, you save just a little bit more money, so a lot of people prefer to shop specifically that way. Throwing 3 of these into a cart, it's $11.97. Using the code WAG10, you're saving $1.20. Free curbside pickup and 89 cents of tax. That's $11.66. If you want to use $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $1.66 for 3 6-packs of paper towel, I think that's a really great price point. Again, with everything going on in the world, these prices on paper, they've kept them very steady with us, especially some of these manufacturers, Walgreens and Scott specifically. If you have that extra Walgreens cash, I probably would stock up and get a couple for your old little stockpile. That's it for this video. Sunday's in-store video shopping and buying a whole bunch of other things that don't include paper, linked right here. Check it out. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.